How do you use ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode? To use the ChatGPT's Advanced Voice Mode, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the ChatGPT application on your device. Or what you can also do is simply go to any web browser of your choice, then go to ChatGPT website. Once you log into your account, make sure that you are also logged into the active ChatGPT Plus Team or Enterprise account because it is only available to the active plan users. It is also available with daily rolling caps for free tiers users in selective regions. So once you open the application and ensure your plan, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on the text box field over here at the bottom. You will find this microphone icon over here, or you should also be able to find the headphones icon. You simply have to tap on it. From there, if the window or the pop-up window appears welcoming you to the advanced voice mode, you simply have to tap continue and grant the application permission to access your device's microphone if prompted. And from there, you can select your AI voice character and you can also engage in fluent and multimodal conversation. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.